Hello, I hope you're doing well. So in this video, I will teach you how you can add two decimals number. So we're gonna take two decimal numbers. Let's say 17.53 plus we have 29.64. So we need to start adding from the right side. So 3 plus 4 is 7. And then 6 plus 5 is 11. So you need to write 1 here. 1 will go on the top of 7. And whenever you are adding two decimal number, just put the decimal straight to the other decimal. So we have a decimal here, put the decimal straight here. And then we need to add 9 plus 7 plus 1, which is 17. So 7 here, 1 here. And then we need to add 2 plus 1 plus 1, which is 4. So we'll get 47.17. That's our final answer. And that's how we can add decimal number. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Thank you.